Hi, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video, I am going to explain about one of the mobile features, that is Vivo Y21. Vivo Y21 is one of the branded mobile where the Vivo company is launched this Y series 21. It is in diamond glow and 128 ROM and 4 GB RAM. Let's move into the details. What are the features it can contain? This type of you can see here. This is a phone model. How we can see this the view of these models and backside of this phone, and there is a brand icon also here. And then next, this is the sides of this phone. And if you use this dual, like if you keep this both with the AI camera also, let's we can move into the depth and we can understand what are the features this mobile contain. Okay, let's move it. Averagely in Flipkart there is a 4.3% of rating. It's highly good. It is a highly good thing, whereas 5 reviews of 4,000 members are giving this. Approximately 4,000 members are giving reviews of 5 for this phone, so it means this phone is absolutely good for using. And whereas we have the camera rating 3.8, which is absolutely fine, and battery is one of the highest here. We have a line lost battery in this mobile, like 4.1 review, and display is 4, and value of money is 3.9. It's good. Approximately overall the 4.3 review is fine for this phone. It is 4.3 means it is a highly best thing where we can use this, and we can discuss about some of the features of this phone. And when you have buy this phone, we have get one of the box where in this box contain one of the headset and charger, USB cable, SIM rejector pin, and protective case and protective frame are the documents of this phone. These are the content in the box when you have buying this and unboxing this one. The model of this Vivo Y21 is a V2111 is a model of this model, and the color of is diamond blue. There is a different colors, so we can choose which type of color you want. And it is a dual SIM accessible and hybrid SIM slots also, and touchscreen, where we have seen that all the phones are touch screens. And OTG capabilities also here. Yes, it's present in OTG capability also. Let's move about the features of display. Here the display size is 6.5 inches. It is a 6.5 inches display, and the resolution of the pixel is 1600 into 720 pixel. It is a HD plus resolution. We can have a lot of very good quality of images, and we can see the good quality of movies also. And where the GCP is IMG GE8320. It's one of the branded of the GCP, and display type is LCD and HD plus LCD. For a full view of display, it has content full view of display. And there is and OS processing and features of OS and processing. Operating system Windows 11 is using in this phone, and the processing type is Medicore and process core is octa core, and primary clock speed is 2.3 Hz. It is a high. And when you come to the memory and storage, it is internally is 128 GB, and whereas the RAM is working on 4 GB, and we have a 6 GB RAM also, and we can use up to extendable storage is 1 TB. It is a great thing. It can support for micro SD also. It is we can expand our data up to 1 TB. It is a highly good thing we can use. Okay, and what about the camera features? What are the so people are looking for the camera features right now in this thing, because they are making some of the videos, TikTok videos, YouTube videos. For that case, they are looking for the camera purpose. That's why there is a lot of features available in this camera. Where is a primary camera contain 12 into 13 plus 2 MP megapixel, whereas a primary has a focus length is 2.2 into, and whereas the 13 megapixel pixel focus length is 2.2, and 2 pixel is 2.4. The primary camera is absolutely good for that, and the secondary camera is 8 megapixel front. It's a front thing, and We have a red LED flash, HD recording system, video recording, and the revolution of these videos and the revolution of recording videos is 1080p by 720p is focused, where the frame rate is 30 ps. This is a good thing, where we want to get a high quality, we want to get a high quality resolution videos in when you want to apply in YouTube or TikTok. So that case, this camera, this phone is providing the 1080 megapixel pixel of the cam revolution of recording video is providing. And the next one is the calling features is as is content and then connectivity. So yeah, connectivity features means which type of we can use 2G, 3G, 4G, four types of slots for three types of networks we can use, but it's not supported for 5G. Okay, later on this company is releasing the 5G mobiles also. And where is a pre-installing of Vivo browsers, and Bluetooth connection is absolutely fine. The version of Bluetooth is 0.5.5 fifth version. It's a 5.0 means fifth version. Wi-Fi, hotspot, and USB connectivity and edges. Yes, and the audio jack of 3.5 mm is an audio jacks of 3.5 mm, and it supports the Google Maps and GCP supports, etc. These are the things where we can see about the feature of connectivities of the features of this mobile. And other details is we have another details of so many people are this is a nanosite and graphics card and graphics picked and removable battery. So it's another all very important, but why they are providing this? You want to know about these features. What are the sensors presented in this SIM accessible, other features, what are the how many things they are, like that we can see this. Okay, and the next one is multimedia features. FM radio is content, and audio formats, video formats also it will be content. Audio format it can be support for AWAV, this MP3, these are the MP2, and these are the things of our audio formats it can be supportable. And whereas a video format also it can be MP4 and 3 MP3 it can supportable. And the battery is 5000 H by 5000 mAh. It is 5000 content battery is absolutely fine. It's a good thing for battery saving of. Then so many people are playing the games PUBG like Free Fire, they want necessary battery backup. So that case it is a phone is a very good thing for you. We can it have content 5000 mAh battery, so we can use this. And the width of the dimension, when you come from the dimension, the width of this the phone is 76.08 mm, and the height of this phone is 164.26 mm, and depth is depth means we can see that here that this is a depth size. So this is a depth size, it is 8 mm, and the weight of this phone is 128 grams. It is things that. Okay, I hope you all understand about the features of this phone. And if you want to buy this type of phone, it is available in Flipkart. Up to now it is not available. Later on they will be allowing you. Okay friends, bye, take care. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.